All right, we are busy with 2.3 now. ABCD is a parallelogram. Study the diagram carefully and calculate the values of. Then we have the A, then X and Y. So we need to calculate the values of A, X and Y. So A, B, C, D is 'n parallelogram. Bestudeer die diagram en bereken die waardes van A, X en dan ook Y. So daar is 3 onbekende waardes waarvoor ons moet oplos. And this diagram looks quite busy. It's a parallelogram. Parallelogram is fairly simple to work with as well. It's got a few properties, and again, of course, depending on what they have presented you with in the diagram, you will, of course, make use of the properties accordingly. Now, we have missing sides here as well as missing or unknown angles, and there, of course, are 3 different variables. So it's quite a busy diagram, and it helps to, of course, first of all, know the properties of the parallelogram. And in this case, they've given you, at least they've indicated the parallel sides, so AD parallel to BC and AB parallel to CD. So those arrows are indicated there. And then everything else is then just given in terms of an algebraic expression, which is the unknowns that you need to calculate. Now, if I look at my A values, or where they are positioned, the A values are given in the sides. So if I look at my properties, ons kyk gou na ons eienskappe van 'n parallelogram. And what do we know about the sides here? So ons just highlight parallelogram. So hulle sê beide pare teenoorstaande sye is ewewydig. So weer eens, daardie 2 vertikale lyntjies beteken nie gelyk nie, dit beteken ewewydig, maar dan as ons kyk na die tweede eienskap, beide pare teenoorstaande sye is ook gelyk. So both pairs of opposite sides are equal. Now, if I go back to my diagram, that means that this side, 5a minus 12, which refers to side AD, that whole side is 5a minus 12, and this side over here, BC, they are equal because AD and BC are opposite sides, and then also AB and CD are opposite sides. So we'll see that beide teenoorstaande sye is gelyk aan mekaar. So let's start by solving for A first, because it seems that we can do that. So I know that 5A minus 12 is equal to 2A plus 18, and the reason for that is opposite sides of, you can say, POM. So ons kan sê teenoorstaande sye van parallelogram. So this is die verkorting vir parallelogram. You can also use the symbol parallelogram. So the 2 lines, of course, referring to parallel, and the M for the M in parallelogram. So you could say opposite sides of parallelogram using that symbol over there. Right? So now we can just solve for this equation by grouping all the like terms. So 5a minus 2a on the left, and 18 plus 12 on the right. So we just move things in the right places by using inverse operations. And 5a minus 2a, of course, is 3a. 18 plus 12 is 30. And then, of course, we need to divide both sides by 3. And 30 divided by 3, of course, is 10. So A is gelyk aan 10. They did not ask us to calculate the length of the side. They just wanted to know the value of A, and we have given them the value of A. So that's done. So that was 2.3a.